You're going to learn how to work with gradient and use textures and color. I'm going to go ahead and start off by adding a gradient color to the sky. I need to choose Show Color to bring the color palette up. Right click on a color blue. Choose Apply Changes to All Levels using this palette. Say OK. Go to Graduated Color. The way I want the gradient to go is from left to right, so I'm going to choose Set Point 1 and click where I want this first set point to go, and then go to Set Point 2 and then click, so it'll go horizontal. And then I want to set color 1, which is the dark blue, set color 2, move over to the other color I want in my gradient, and then say OK. And then I'll go back to my tools, choose the paint bucket, and drop it where I want it. Okay. Step, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add a texture for the grass. I found an image of an actual grass texture that I want to use as my paint. Got that off of the internet. You can say, JPEGs. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the color, and I'm going to right click anywhere again on my color palette, say OK. But this time I want to go ahead and choose texture or pattern. I want to click the double arrows to load in the pattern, and I'm going to click the screenshot, say open, and I want to use the texture only. So I say OK, get my paint bucket, and then drop it. And there you go. Voila, you have grass. Now I'll show you how to work with opacity to make colors lighter and darker. I've got my color palette here, and I'm just going to go back in here and I'm going to right click. I'm going to make the mountains a dark gray color. Right click there and say OK. And then right now my opacity is at 100%. So I'm just going to say OK and then drop it using the paint. Okay, what I'm going to do is show you how to change the opacity of this color that I put in the mountains, which was this color. You drop the color in first if you want to actually see what it looks like when you make changes. So I'm going to right click on the same color that I did prior, say OK. I'm going to move the slider gradually to the left, and you'll notice that the mountains start to get lighter. If I go all the way left, it's going to be completely white. Okay, so I'm going to get it where I like it and say OK.